Duol makedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka EACC onyiso luoro margi ewi medruok mar oboke mag somo kod mag tich mabandia ma itiyogo e manyo tije ma pacho ka. E kinde nyasi makete ayanga lipod EACC mar omenda ma 2024-2025. Jakom mar EACC Laktar David Oginde olero ni dwaro nitie mar medo thiro tiyo kod oboke mokongi e yudo tije kalore ni mae ma jo Kenya mani kod lony nyalo matiyo tije magisomo kendo nyawo mibadhi. EACC bende yango ni higa achiel mokalo ne giyudo lipode 4,183 kendo lipode 1,846 nochwal mondo timnegi nonro. Mibadhi pod otelo ko omenda maromo bilion 3.4 ne odwoki ne jopiny higani.
Convened a high-level National Ethics and Integrity Conference to address the alarming rise of falsified academic and professional qualifications. Kenya must never become a society where shortcuts supersede merit. Integrity must be upheld across every stage of our national development pipeline. It is very sad that even very senior people in government are operating under false documents, forged certificates. It is an embarrassment to our society. If you want academic qualifications, we have more than enough universities in this country.
The Commission successfully recovered assets worth Kenya shillings 3.4 billion, up from 2.9 billion in the previous year. This demonstrates a tangible increase in the effectiveness of our asset recovery efforts. This positive trend extends to other critical areas, including 54 cases that were finalized in court compared to 45 in the previous year. Convictions also saw a remarkable increase from 12 cases to 33 cases